Yes, so hi, my name's Ian Tomkinson. I'm the Commercial and Consultancy Manager within the property team. We look to procure two different types of things. Firstly, we look to procure all the capital and revenue works associated with the built assets that the council owns, things such as schools, libraries, care homes and the like. Doesn't include housing or highways works. And we look to do maintenance work which keeps the buildings safe and operational and make sure that they are fully maintained. That can vary in scale from schemes which are just simply a couple of £1,000 up to schemes which are over £1 million. We currently procure our goods and services in a variety of ways. There are certain times when we have to do a direct appointment just because of the urgency of the work, example for health and safety. But normally we would look to invite between 3 and 6 firms to bid for our works. We would advertise those opportunities through Sell to Wales. We also use frameworks such as the National Procurement Service, the Crown Commercial Service or ESPO and the like. In terms of our future procurement aims, we're looking to improve communication. That's one of the key things that we want to do. We're looking to particularly look at early contractor involvement and getting contractors involved in our schemes as early as we possibly can. We're looking at green procurement. That's one of the things we really want to bring in to make sure that we're maximising what we should be doing around that. We're also looking at the balance between quality and price. One of the things we haven't done so well in the past, in my view, and I think we need to look much more about how we do that. And finally, just looking at more innovation generally around how we procure our works. I think there are a number of issues that we've had in the past when dealing with SMEs, which are easily solved. I think at times the SMEs tender for works which are not suitable and they feel that they have to tender because they won't get another opportunity. I think there's a real issue sometimes around accuracy of pricing. All I'd say is make sure you check your pricing before you send things back. And finally, not asking for help. What I would say is don't be afraid to raise questions. We have no problem with any clarification questions that you want to raise. It's better that we get better prices back if you know exactly what you're going to be pricing for.